5, 10-second response.
You know, I wonder if this will look fun. I wonder if this will look fun. And I wonder if that was,
Well, crazy turn of events, it's gonna hurt. Wait, no. I will get you in the head. That's his skill. Alright, where is he? Just buy a couple full auto pistols.
I'm gonna switch for this. Oh, what you wanna do, bud? Oh,
Wait, we can talk about this. Yeah, that's a you fight.
nope, waste my ammo.
No mag.
I grabbed an empty mag.
What about your phone mag?
Huh?
What about the mag for your phone?
My phone mag.
No, you're just gonna throw it out. Grenade! You're just immediately gonna shoot it. Ouch.
Look at that stick figure. We're about to have a stick figure fight.
Yeah.
You boys just had a stick figure fight.
Wait, what? What happens if I just shoot you in the arm right now?
Already been.
You wanna help me?
Oh, put it to my chest. I dare you. Put it to my chest. I'll shoot him. Now you can't fire.
What?
Yeah. With these guns, if the swipe is back, swipe it. You can't fire on real firearms.
Yeah, real firearms.
Real freaking guns.
Oh wait, yeah, you're right. You're right. Crap.
Yeah, so same with the Glock.
Wait a minute. Wait, but don't. That's a blowback. Your finger goes bye-bye.
Drop the gun now!
I'm one of the reps. He is also one of the reps.
Gun failed on her once again.
This is my brother, guys.
Oh,
My adopted little brother.
this one's
Damn cool. Love to share his stuff.
Gun problems. 3 of them in there.
That's great. Oh,
They all get to wait.
cool.
great.
Let's do one other drop time. Oh, warm up round, right? Just keep shooting each other. Yeah. Iron Man warm up. Let's go. Yeah. Hey, Kel, let's figure out why the fuck my gun isn't working.
What happens if I look down the barrel?
That's what I'm gonna do right now. Anyone got a flashlight?
I got you.
I wonder if that works.
Why are you using a laser as a flashlight?
Because why not?
Anyways, last day I'm repping until I come back in the summer.
Man, my laser's yellow. My laser's yellow.
Well, that's a scary sound.
No, it's yellow. It's orange.
Yeah, it turns yellow on your vest.
Are you sure you're not colorblind, buddy?
I am 100%.
I think I'm colorblind. My AK won't work no more. I dropped it in New York on a ramp. My AK stopped working.
Can I check it out?
Sure. It could be because I dropped it in Buffalo, New York. Why is it when everybody else touches the gun, it starts working?
Flick it in the full. If I fire it, and I can see, and then you can pull it like this.
Well, and when I hold it... Okay, well...
It's nice.
Every day. Somebody else can grab it, and it works.
Yeah, I'm a Russian FBI agent.
KGB?
We're the Russian dogs. Sure brought my,
AK brother.
You're not Russian?
Free Vietnam gun.
Is he a Russian?
Free Vietnam.
Where's that AK boy at? Brother.
Hey, AK. Yes.
Anyone who speaks Russian is a spy.
No Russian.
Yeah, no Russian.
Remember, no Russian.
I am not a Russian.
What Moscow you got in there?
Get ass, sir.
Totally not a Russian.
Meanwhile, we can be Russian. Okay?
Yeah, mine's like 7 or 10 pounds. It's real wood.
Yeah, I like the Zenico furniture. I have a flash hider for it too. I just need the handguard to be Zenico.
Anybody got suggestions how to stop their mask from fogging up?
The AKS 70 for you.
Seal up the edges.
What? Alright, I'm gonna stick with
I can't see. Got shot in the head. Right in the head, brother.
Oh, it's funny.
There's a guy about to peek on the right. Hey. Right in the shin. Right in the shoulder.
Wait, I thought you were revived.
I got shot as he stopped reviving me. That guy peeked.
Any green remaining? Green! We're gonna head back to lobby, red wins.
No. There's literally nothing. I've been dead the whole round. Yeah, it's just for.
Have you seen the videos of people shooting schools with 9mm? Their eyes pop out of their head and everything.
Yeah, it's just 4 people in this arena right now. That's crazy.
But that's what this looks like. A school getting smack dab in the head with a freaking 9mm. Think Sped Bonnie will block this one?
Pretty much.
It did. It freaking shoots it off. No damage.
Lord.
This kind of thing made out of wood.
I'm gonna go through the glow room.
Go! He said go.
No. Fell on my knees though.
Yeah, done. He's dead.
Just a one shot.
Look, dead.
He's there.
Oh, crap, behind us! Did I call it that? Oh, I hit! Crap.
I think I got hit in the mask. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you hit me in the mask when I peeked.
Oh.
That body coming through, dead man!
2 dead people, jeez. You forgetting about me?
That body coming through. I don't know how I did not hit him. My freaking aim must be off today.
Yeah, I mean, there is only 4 people, and the refs ain't gonna do nothing.
Yeah.
This is giving away our position.
What's my body?
No, my mag. Remind me to grab that when we come back.
He's a new. What do you want to do?
I'm gonna move like this way. Actually, I hit my head on the freaking pipe. I hit my head on the pipe.
That body is dead and getting up. I'm too fat to get up to him. Oh, wait, me! Yes, you did.
Oh, sorry about that, man.
I'm trying to get up and I'm
Take a run!
I can't get up with you aiming at me, bro. Dead man.
I don't know if he was right where I shot. Got one bullet left on this man. We're getting sandwich, aren't we?
Hey, Toy. I know you're out there, bud. How many lives is it?
There's 4.
4.
You got 2 left. I got 3. Hey, bucko. I don't know where this kid is. You see him? What was that? I swear if I run out of CO2. Wrong pouch. Hey, we good, we good. Jeez, that CO2 smells bad.
That body can't move, bud.
I can't.
Well, my dad's kind of in grow room still, hiding. Like a little baby. No, don't push me.
Is that kid, is the kid you're talking to?
No, he's pushing back.
Okay, so.
So you better push back. I swear to God, bro.
Oh, I almost pulled the trigger.
Is he pushing back?
Yeah, he just moved. Well, no, he just moved that way.
Push up that way.
No, he just. Yeah, I'm a push up right now. Ah, shit. Oh, that scared me. Oh, my leg. Oh,
Where'd I get you at?
you hit me like right here. Ow.
You just in there hiding up, like a little sister.
No!
He already banged me.
Oh, I didn't hear him. Did I shoot you in the finger?
What's the finger?
I saw you there.
Huh?
Did I shoot you?
I did. I didn't hear you say bang bang. Where's this kid at?
I didn't know who. I just got shot at that way. You're pushing some blower now?
He's not right there. My mask is fogging up. I can't see. Who are you? He's right there. He's right there. Is he dead? Woo! Yeah, he's still there. Did you get him? Am I still pinned down? shot did not feel good.
Oh, dang it, that was my last freaking wife, too. What are you doing over there, Dad? I'm just gonna sit down and go dead. I'm dead and sped.
Good combo.
Huh?
Are you hit?
Finger again?
Are you hit?
Yeah. He got my finger again.
Did I get you?
I don't know if you hit me or not. Cause like, I felt something on my knee, but it didn't feel like
Yeah,
it
you
hit.
got hit, bud.
I can make sure.
The damn finger. How many times have you died, Caleb?
He's dead, baby.
That was my fourth.
That was your fourth. How many times you got it?
I've been shot 3.
I got twice.
I saw you find a black fire, buddy.
You're out, Caleb.
I know.
Wait, why am I there?
How many times have you died?
Twice.
How many times have you died?
3.
You got one more.
I got 2 more turns. You got 2 more. You got 1.
We just call it?
Call it game. I'm dead anyway. Without him doing this.
Look at my trigger finger, Dad.
Let me show you. Here, try that one.
Oh, that feels nice. Hold this real quick.
I want to do a speed build on it.
That feels nice.
I want to do a speed build on that.
I'm out of ammo, so.
I know.
Oh, my leg.
Yeah, you got me right there, and then the last one literally right at the end of the fingertip.
Alright, let's go gather ammo. Oh, you guys won. Thank you. I have no idea where this kid is. Caleb, you're lucky I can't see. Oh, I thought he was right there. I have no idea where this kid is. Peek your head out. Oh, I did not mean that. Oh no, time out. I said time out, little boy. kill this kid. Caleb, I challenge you to a duel. Come out here. We're gonna do it like the West. Caleb, I'll drop my weapon if you drop yours. Caleb, come out, I'm out of ammo. I'll put my stuff up to show you. You can come finish me off. Come here. I'm completely unharmed. My hands are up. Can't do nothing, I'm out of ammo. Don't shoot me. I'm out of ammo, bro. Where you at? Out of ammo. Like, I mean, I'm out. Oh, jeez.
You call it, buddy?
I'm out. I ran out of ammo, everything. It's because my mask is foggy. I can't see where you are, so I'm just shooting where I hear your shots.